Let's talk about the slope of perpendicular lines. We have here a line. Here is a line, and this is the uh, change in x and change in y. And this distance here is, we call this, try to call this one d, and this distance here from here to here is c. And the slope of this line can be determined by the ratio of d over c, this length here over this length here. Then if we rotate it, if we move this line perpendicular at this point, so we have this one, and this one d is equals to this distance, but this is uh, negative since this is going to the left, and this one is equals to this one c. So this distance is equals to this one, so this is positive c. So our second slope is c over negative d, our m2. If we multiply m1 and m2, we have here d over c times c over negative d, and cancel here d, this one is d, and c and c. Since this is negative, so this is equals to negative 1. So m1 times m2 is equals to negative 1. So you can have m1 equals negative 1 over m2, or first slope is equals to the negative reciprocal. So, or m2 is just equals to 1 over m1, negative 1 over m1. So, for example, find the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 3x plus 1 at point 14. So, we have this one, our equation y equals 3x plus 1 and 0.14. So, this is our slope, since this is a slope intercept form. So, our m1 is 3. So our m2, our second slope, is negative 1 over 3. So using the point slope form, we have y minus y1 equals m2 times quantity x minus x1. So we can substitute our values. Y is 4, so we have 4. And our m2 is negative 1/3, and our x1 is 1. So this is now the point slope form, but we can still simplify this one to the slope intercept form. We are going to have this one as distribute this 1/3 here. So this becomes y minus 4 equals negative 1/3 x plus, and this is because we multiply this negative 1 here, 1/3 here. So plus 1/3, and transpose this negative 4 to here. So we have y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1/3 plus 4. And we can have the common, the LCD, least common denominator, as 3. So we multiply this 4 by 3, and this is 12. So we have y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1 plus 12 over 3. And this is equals to y equals negative 1/3 x plus 13 over 3. And this one is, this is the equation of the perpendicular line. So to plot this one, the Cartesian plane, have here, first is the point 1, 4. So we have here 1 and 4. Then our slope for this one is 3. So if we, since this is a whole number, our change in x is 1. So if we move 1 unit to the right, so we move up 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and this is our next point. And if we move to the left 1 unit, so we move downward 3 units, 1, 2, 3. So we have this point here, our y-intercept. So connecting this line is y equals 3x plus 1. Then for this one, we have a negative. So from 1, 4, if we move to the right 3 units, is 3 here. So 1, 2, 3, we should move downward 1 unit. So 1. So this is our next point. And if we move to the left 3 units, 1, 2, 3, then we move up 1 unit since this is negative 1, since this is negative slope. So 1 unit. So connecting this line, this to have this is not scale really fit, so we can have a more precise picture, and this is now the more accurate graph. This line is y equals 3x plus 1, and this line here is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 13 over 3. And 13 over 3 is the y-intercept. This is 4 and 1/3. And this one here is the y-intercept for the first line, so positive 1.